Riddhi Suri, and I recently graduated from Amity Law School, Delhi. I pursued integrated degree course in BA LLB honors, and I just completed it last month. And while I was on the verge of completing my final year, I joined this course on NCLT litigation, which is offered by LawSikho. And this was my first step towards the direction I want to pursue in my future, which is corporate litigation. So I was very indecisive as to how I should go about it, because the job market is so down. How do I acquire the practical skills while sitting at home? How do I do that? So I looked up for online courses. So I came across this course and I talked to the people. I talked to the LawSikho people and they guided me, they convinced me to join it. And this has been a great decision, because when I started this, I had zero idea about how NCLT operates, what is IBC, corporate debtors, everything. Like I had read something about it, because when we weren't offered these subjects in college as well. It's a very new subject. So I'm very happy I joined it, because the first thing is that you are given, you are taught by the people who are themselves practicing. So it's a blend of academia as well as practical court experience. So that is one point. Secondly, they help you, their placement team helps you with internships, jobs, and they're very supportive with CV building, with like normal mentorship programs, everything. And uh, apart from that, you get your articles published like as a part of the online assignment itself. You have to write articles, and if they're considered to be of publishable quality, they publish your articles. So all in all, it gives you a very wide experience. It widens your horizon, it your publications increase, you get an internship or a job, or and also acquire practical skills. Plus the course coordinator make sure that you are able to complete your assignments. There's no problem, you're able to have a nuanced understanding of the subject. So that is one thing that keeps this course above all other courses that I have done in my law school. So yeah, I would say that I haven't learned enough in my law school related to this field of corporate litigation, because I just had this Companies Act 2013 in one of my semesters, and 3 months, 5 modules wouldn't help you to understand what actually the intricacies of the law involved, which this course helped me in. So yeah, that has been my journey with the LawSikho, and I am quite sure that what I want to do right now. Before starting this course, I was very confused whether I should go for corporate litigation, but one point is that the mentors here, the teachers here are mostly females, and I see themselves as, I could be like them. So this is one thing that pushes me every day. They're so knowledgeable, doing so well for themselves, and it has been a very motivational and insightful journey for me.